The most serious and immediate risk to the UK financial system stems from the worsening sovereign debt crisis in several euro area countries. As the report makes clear, direct UK bank exposures to those economies are limited, but experience has shown that contagion can spread through financial markets, especially when there is uncertainty about the precise location of exposures. A UK bank could have lent to a bank that itself had lent to a bank that in turn was exposed to sovereign risk. The committee therefore judged that greater clarity about the extent of these exposures would help to limit the transmission of problems to UK banks, and that this extra transparency should be a permanent part of major banks' reporting. The committee advises the FSA to ensure that improved disclosure of sovereign and banking sector exposures by major UK banks becomes a permanent part of their reporting framework, and to work with the FPC to consider further extensions of disclosure in the future. There's no evidence that the euro area sovereign and banking sector exposures of smaller UK banks are significant, but to dispel any doubts on this point, in its second recommendation, the committee advises the FSA to compile data on the current sovereign and banking sector exposures of other UK banks not subject to the EBA stress tests.